Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve a few questions on General Aptitude which come in the GATE examination. The question is, in a company with 100 employees, 45 earn Rs 20,000 per month, 25 earn Rs 30,000, 20 earn Rs 40,000, 8 earn Rs 60,000 and 2 earn Rs 1,50,000. The median of the salaries is. So, first we'll arrange the values, say in any order, ascending or descending. So let us take this to be ascending. So we have 45 people who have their monthly salary to be 20,000. Then we have a further 25 whose monthly salary is 30,000. Then we have a further 20 whose monthly salary is 40,000. Then we have a further 8 whose monthly salary is 60,000 and 2 whose monthly salary is 1,50,000. So, if I calculate the cumulative frequency of the number of employees, so I get this to be 45 plus 25, 70 plus 20, 90, 98 and 100. Now, since the total number of observations is even, that is 100, therefore, the median would be 50th observation plus 51st observation by 2. Now, if you look into this table, you'll see that the 50th and 51st observation, they both earn 30,000. So this is 30,000 plus 30,000 by 2, which is 30,000. So the correct option is option B. The next question is, P, Q and R talk about S's car collection. P states that S has at least 3 cars. Q believes that S has less than 3 cars. R indicates that to his knowledge S has at least 1 car. Only one of P, Q and R is right. The number of cars owned by S is option A 0, option B 1, option C 3 and option D cannot be determined. Now it is mentioned that only one of them gave a correct statement. The only possible numerical value for which exactly one of the 3 statements is true will be 0. If the number of cars with S is 0, then only the statement given by Q is correct. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. The next question is fill in the blanks, which is the ways in which this game can be played dash potentially infinite. Option A is, option B is being, option C are and option D are being. The correct option for this is option C, that is are. The ways in which this game can be played are potentially infinite. Option C is the correct answer. The next question is also fill in the blanks. If you choose plan P, you will have to dash plan Q as these two are mutually dash. The correct option for this is option A. That is, if you choose plan P, you will have to forego plan Q as these two are mutually exclusive. Therefore, option A gives us the correct answer. The next question is, if A and B are integers and A minus B is even, then which of the following must always be even? Now, if A minus B is even, it means that either A and B are both even or A and B are both odd. Now, if A and B are both odd, then AB will be odd. A square plus B square plus 1 will be odd. Then A square plus B plus 1 will again be odd, but AB minus B, this would be even. This is because the product of two odd numbers is always odd. Then odd number plus odd will again give you odd. Then A square is odd, B is odd, 1 is odd. So sum of three odd numbers is odd. But an odd number minus an odd number would give you an even. Therefore the correct option is option D.